welcome back to Cricket Analysis, guys. So today we have match 9 between MI versus SRH. So MI have won this match by 13 runs, and it was a totally disappointment from Sunrisers Hyderabad. So, what was your feeling, Rahul?
I think it's the same replay of the last two matches. They played similar kind of cricket. There was not that much got responsibility from the middle order players if you look into that. So they played this time. I think compared to the last match, they played it better when compared to the second match. But at the end, they can't able to couldn't finish. In addition to that, I also have to tell about this MI's bowling. Today's match, if you compare to the last match, they could have won, but today in this match, especially Bumrah and bowled very well in the last overs.
Yeah,
That
I think
very outstanding bowling from both of them.
Bumrah was magnificent. I guess only 14 runs from 4 overs, and that too picking a wicket. I think and even runouts from Hardik Pandya that have a lot of impact in this match. They have run out from David Warner and
Yeah, that
Abdul
too two
Samad.
runouts. Yeah, two runouts. That too at crucial time when the batsmen are trying to hit or they are trying to
Yeah,
like where in the situation where SRH is in good position at the time they got two blows in runouts.
and I think in place of Vijay Shankar, if they would have played Kedar Jadhav, it would be good option. I thought, but
No, I think Vijay Shankar could be like we
no,
can
no,
be
no.
with
In
ball
place of
and bat.
sorry, in place of Virat Singh. Sorry.
Okay, Virat Singh. I think maybe something is like maybe some fitness issue or some not in good form in practice. That's I think so. Kedar Jadhav.
Yeah,
That's why they have given this to Virat Singh. I think so. And for me in this match, Bumrah's bowling is most
the bowlers,
looking
batsmen were unable to pick his ball. Neither they are unable to defend him.
yeah, very good bowling from Bumrah, like nice change-ups and very good movement. If you see in the whole both innings, in the whole match, only Bumrah showed that much movement.
Yeah,
Even Bhuvi, who is used to do that, can't didn't find that in the first innings.
I don't know what happened to Bhuvi. I think he's out of his form. He was very good in touch with England series. After that, what happened? He has been hit into sixes and fours in the last overs. If in the last over, if he hadn't been hit to two sixes, I think the story would be other thing.
Yeah, that may be the crucial point. If he didn't consider it, those two sixes, the target would be easy.
Yeah,
Yeah, it would be like around 140 or something like odd 140 odd. That would be kind of easy for SRH. And also credit to the Mumbai bowlers, they bowled really well, especially Chahar and Bolt. Bolt did a very good comeback by bowling last two overs and very nail biting Yorkers, etc.
so this is a match line summary between MI and SRH. So we'll see. Sorry. So
Yeah,
MI at the
Mumbai
top.
back to yeah, they are back at the top, and I think they will continue this leading at the front. I think so. SRH lost three consecutively.
Yeah,
Yeah, coming to the next match, that's a double header tomorrow. The first match is between RCB and KKR at Chepauk Stadium, that is Chennai, at 3:30. Yeah, if you look into the both sides in the last two matches, RCB played really well. They're coming from back-to-back wins, and Kolkata is coming from defeats similar to like SRH.
yeah, but
They
they
didn't get
have
big collapse.
won.
If you compare their batting order is quite better than SRH. If you compare the 4, 5, 6 middle order positions,
Yeah, they
they
are
lost that
having an
match.
experienced middle order.
Yeah,
So, what are the stats, Rahul, between KKR and RCB?
Both of them played 26 matches. Out of them, KKR won 14 and RCB won 12.
So, KKR is ahead.
Yeah, KKR is ahead, and I also hope. I think tomorrow RCB will lose first match. I think so.
Maybe. So,
Maybe I am back to predicting. I'll pick KKR ahead of RCB today, the tomorrow's match.
so what would be the probable RCB? Any changes you would like to see, or
No, I think they both teams will continue with the same level.
yeah,
Maybe mostly, if not, Sunil Narayan maybe come for Shakib, or they will continue with the same in KKR.
yeah, that's it. And
Yeah,
can Russell be expected to? I think will they be replacing Russell, or will they be playing?
maybe based on the fitness. I think he is not that much fit what he used to be before. If you look in the fielding, also he's not that much athletic and was that much good. Before he used to be very good fielder.
Yeah,
So maybe if there is any fitness issue, they might change when cutting will come. He's also a very good option for them.
yeah, absolutely. So this this is match number 10, RCB versus KKR, first match between played at Chapok, and
Who would
next
be
match.
picking?
I'll go with RCB.
Yeah, okay. Then match number 11, evening match, DC versus Punjab Kings in Wankhede. So both the teams are coming from losses.
Yeah.
And the good news for DC is Notge is back in training.
So will he be playing tomorrow?
I think I don't know properly because if you look at the last match, the DC batting collapsed. I think they'll go back with their Hetmeyer instead of Tom Curran and bring back some Indian bowler. I think so.
I think Steve
Or
Smith
if they
will
want to
come,
go
I guess.
aggressively, no, I think no, Steel Smith will not come. Maybe they will go with Hetmeyer. Yeah,
Okay.
that's also a chance, maybe possible chance Steve Smith coming in. But it will be like Rahane and Steve Smith. They will take some time to play, so
Yeah.
maybe they will not go. Or maybe they'll play if they want to play some aggressive, like similar type of match. They'll go with Anish Norge in place of Tom Curran, and they'll play with three overseas bowlers.
Yeah. And will there be any changes for Punjab Kings?
I don't. I think there will not be any changes because if you look at the overseas bowlers also, they bowled better compared to the first match. They bowled
Yeah.
at good lengths and they considered less runs. So they will be going with the same 11. And also uh, without no, I also Shah Rukh Khan batted really well at the bottom. If you exclude the top three and Deepak Hooda who batted really well in the first match, means Mayank Agarwal and Nicholas Puran are a concern for them. I think so.
Yeah. I think Gale will be opening with Rahul, and then the likely would be changing, I guess. In place, one down would be in place of Puran, they can play David Malan for tomorrow's match at one down. Is this
Yeah, it's a
possible?
quite good option. It's a good option. David Malan playing instead of Nicholas Puran, but I think they will not change with two matches. I think they will give him an extended run.
Yeah,
Similar to Mayank Agarwal also, they may be continuing, or else they might bring Prabhsimran Singh or Mandeep Singh.
you have to see. So for this match, who will be the predicting? What will be your
No,
prediction?
this match I will not predict because I have some gut in KKR, so I predicted for that, but I will not predict this match.
Okay, okay. So what were the
Who would
stats
be,
between DC and Punjab Kings?
I think, 15-11. Punjab Kings with 15 wins and DCR with 11 wins out of 26 matches.
Punjab is ahead of this, so we'll see what will be the tomorrow's match winning combinations. So tomorrow is the first double header for IPL 2021. So please like, share, and subscribe and keep watching cricket analysis and comment down your predictions.